Gino Pettis Adventures. I'm still Gino. And let's talk about something today that's not exactly Colombian. This is like old guy stuff. You laying on the couch? How long you been scrolling today? You wonder what to do next? I live there sometimes too. I don't really know how to begin this, but let's just begin. It seems like the older we get, sometimes we forget things that we've done in our past. And there isn't one of you out there that hasn't done wonderful things, I would imagine. Oh, maybe there are, but most of the old guys I know did something, or did 2 or 3 things, and did them well. And we get to this age, and we wonder, what the hell have we done? We don't know what to do tomorrow. Another day of scrolling on the internet. God, I mean, I've learned so much on the internet. It is totally incredible. But it is an addiction. It is a total addiction. And it keeps us a lot of times from doing stuff. I mean, well, let's go work out. No, I just think I'll scroll a little more. Or let's go do, no, I'm just going to be, or you get to where you're going and you can't have the freaking phone turned off. So I guess what I want to talk about today is that we can live a long time these days. And even if we're in bad health, I mean, my heart is toast. But I still get up and I still exercise and I still do a lot of things. There's some things I can't do. I'm not going to go run a marathon. I'm not going to go, I don't know, I'd like to do jiu-jitsu, but I don't know if I got enough heart left to do it. And I just think that there's another old guy, and I don't remember his name, but he says, he reckons that if you ain't dead, you ain't done. And I'll grant you that. I will grant you that, Maestro. So I think what I find myself doing sometimes is whining like, oh God, somebody did this to me, or oh, why can't I do that, or da-da-da-da-da. But when it boils down to it, I was probably the problem. Not all the time, but most of the time, I was the problem. So I believe that if you get up off your butt and go take a shower and put some clothes on and go outside, don't open your phone. Go outside. I don't think there's any place in the States that would prohibit going outside today. I don't know, Phoenix may still be too hot, or someplace may be too cold, but go for a little walk. You don't have to go far. Just get off your butt. Go move. It will be a wonderful thing for your mental health. Look at me, I sit around here sometimes. I haven't been doing too many videos, and why? I don't know why. I guess maybe because I'm tired of telling you you can find a place to live for $200 a month and you don't believe me. And you can eat all month on $300 a month and you don't believe me. Maybe I'm a little tired of that. But I'll continue. But I'm going to start talking about other stuff too. I mean, there's 5,500 of you guys and girls. And well, 97% of you guys are guys from 54 and up. I had a guy call me the other day. He was 54 years old and tried to tell me he was done. He didn't know what to do. I mean, my God, I wish to be 54 years old. Holy shit. Yes, sir. I'd be rocking and rolling. Well, I'm still rocking and rolling, but I'd really be rocking and rolling. So, I don't know where I'm going with this other than today is the first day of the rest of your life. And if nothing changes, nothing changes. And that's the hard part. That's not the easy part. But if we don't like what we're doing, we have free will. We do have free will. And you're a good person. And you're a smart person. And you get your butt off the couch and exercise your free will to go do something different. Doesn't have to be much. Doesn't have to be right. Doesn't have to be wrong. It just has to be different. Maybe it'll warm the spark up. Maybe it'll get you off the couch every day. But this guy that I spoke to was ready to check himself out. That, in my estimation, the rest of us are sitting here going to the doctor trying to fight it to the end. And so you got a lot of years left. All of us have a lot of years left. And if we don't, well, so what? But you can't quit ahead of time. So don't. This is the first day of the rest of your life. And if nothing changes, nothing changes. So God bless you. And we'll see you on the flip side. Have a good day.